Most people spend $7 without thinking twice, but one group of people, they invested instead. And 30 years later, the difference is terrifying. Or that subscription charge that keeps hitting your account and you've completely forgotten about. But what if those same $7 every single day could completely change your financial future? Most people will never find out. Not because they can't afford $7, but because nobody ever showed them what $7 can actually become over time. Have you ever told yourself, I'll start investing when I make a little more money? That waiting becomes one of the most expensive financial decisions you'll ever make. $7 a day is just $210 a month. After 5 years, your account could be around $15,000. After 10 years, around $36,000. After 20 years, around $115,000. After 30 years, over $350,000. You contributed only $77,000. The market added another $270,000 on top. No extra work. No second job. Time did most of the heavy lifting. This is called the compounding clock. A clock that keeps working even while you're asleep. Your only job is to start it. A $7 investor who starts at age 22 will often outperform a $100 investor who starts at age 32. Almost every time. So if you're waiting to start, you're giving someone else a head start for free. What should you do? Simple. Open an index fund account. Set up an automatic transfer. And leave it alone. The amount isn't the most important thing. The habit is. The coffee you buy today will be gone in 20 minutes. The $7 you invest today could be working for you for the next 30 years. Same amount. Completely different life. So the question is, which version of $7 are you choosing?